Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I've decided to model almost everything I found around me using SolidWorks, starting from the simplest object to the most complex one. Today, I'll be modeling a chandelier that I installed on the ceiling of my dining room a few months ago. I will use SolidWorks to recreate it as closely as possible, though I will leave out a few minor details. Without wasting any time, let's dive right in. We'll select the top plane, sketch a circle in the middle, define it, and this will be 120 millimeters. Then both extrudes, and okay, this will be 20 millimeters. Then we'll take this side, and then again, we'll sketch a circle in the middle, define it, and this will be 180 millimeters. Then cut extrude, and here we'll have 18 millimeters. So then this is what we got. Then we use this side again, sketch the circle, define it. This will be 15 millimeters. Then cut the extrude, and take both sides so it will go through. Then flip it to the other direction, sketch a circle, define it. This will be 20 millimeters. Box extrude, and the thickness will be 20 millimeters. Okay, then give it a fillet of 2 millimeters. That'll be okay. All right, then we'll use this side to sketch our circular bar. Again, take a circle, define it, and this will be, let's say, 15 millimeters. Then the extrusion will be on this side 100 millimeters long. So this is our bar, and then in the other direction it will be 35 millimeters. So this is what we get here. All right, click OK. Now we will use this side to sketch our circle and define it. This will be 130 millimeters. Okay, then the thickness will be 30 millimeters thick. All right, that's the thickness. Then we click OK. All right, then we'll take this side again and sketch circle. Sorry. Okay, so we will define it. This will be 20 millimeters. Then both extrude. So here we'll have 15 millimeters as a length. All right, click OK. Then we'll give it a fillet on the edge, and this will be 2 millimeters. Okay, all right. Then we'll take the front plane we use this plane to sketch our rectangle. So we select this plane. So now we have a parallel plane. So I'll give it a distance of 15 millimeters, as we can see here. Click OK. Then we'll use this plane to sketch our rectangle. So first of all, we'll select the center line right here. Then the rectangle, define it. This will be 20 millimeters. On the other side, 10 millimeters. Okay. Then the extrusion will be 190 millimeters. Click OK. All right. So we have our bar here. Then let's hide this plane. Okay. Now we'll select the top plane to create again a parallel plane, which we see here. Then we'll give it a distance of, so let's flip it first. Okay. Then we'll give it a distance of 935 millimeters. So we can see it here, right in the middle. All right. Okay. Then we use this plane to sketch our circle. So as we did before, first of all, take the center line. Okay. Then we sketch our circle. Define it. And this will be 20 millimeters. Okay. So now what we need to do is to drag the circle right here. All right. Okay. Then you could see it. And then this will be 30 millimeters. Okay, let's take both direction, and I want to be 30 millimeters. All right. Okay. So let's hide the plane, and this is what we get. Okay. All right. Now we are going to use this side to sketch a circle. Then we need to locate the center, and here it is. We'll define it, and the diameter will be, let's say, 40 millimeters. All right. Then the extrusion is 30 millimeters. Okay. This is what we get. Then again, we use this side to sketch another circle. Then we'll use the center line to relocate the center and the circle, and this will be, let's say, 80 millimeters. All right. Then both extrude, and that will be, let's say, 12 millimeters. Okay, that's the thickness. Then okay. All right. Then again, we'll take this side, locate the center, we sketch a circle, define it, and this will be 110 millimeters. Okay, then boss extrude, and that will be 135 millimeters long. Okay, then we have our cylinder. Then we take again this side, and then relocate the center line. Okay, then sketch the circle, define it, and this will be 108 millimeters. Okay, then cut extrude, so here will be 133 millimeters. So now we have a hole here. All right, so now we need to do now is to create the fillet. So take this one, give it the radius of 1 millimeters. That one, you can see it right here, and then this one. Okay, so which one is remaining? This one is done. Okay, this one. All right, so now we have fillet all over the bar. Then again, we'll give these ones to a fillet on the edge, and this will be 2 millimeters. That one, this one, and this one. All right, then okay. All right, then we take this one, give it a fillet of 3 millimeters, and here as well. Then okay. All right, so now what we need to do is to create the patterns. So first of all, we go to view, hide and show, then temporary axis. So we could see that the axes are displayed all along the bar. Then we go to the color pattern, and then click on these windows, then select the axis, then it's highlighted here. Then we go to bodies, then we will take these parts and we can see it here. So all right, and once I click OK, then it will display. All right, this is what we get. Then let's hide the axis. Okay, this is what we get. And the next step is to create the appearance. So we can give it any color. So I prefer taking the gray because the gray is more clear than the dark. Okay, this is what we get, but yeah, and then you can also do it this way or other ways as well. Then to get the glasses, what we do, we just drag it, and then well, I'll take the face. All right, you can create it one by one, or Okay, and then inside. Okay, so we can see the glass, and this one too. All right. Okay, so then we can repeat it all over, and then we will get our result. This is the final result. That's it for today. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thank you, and see you again next time.